Okeripoto ngelo kanyo kod Eriko Wenga oyudo ni jalup jatend piny machon Rigathi Gachagua wacho ni sirkal temo duogo kweth mokuong mano mar Mungiki e gwenge mag masawa mar piny Kenya mondo mi otem tieko mbine ma osebedo ka medore e gwenge go. Gachagua bende dwaro ni doho mar piny mangima ICC mondo tim nonro e wi tim mar teko rowere makwedo piny owacho ma pachokae ma bende owacho ni en ataro mar chik marito ratich oganda. Gachagua owacho magi e kaunti ma Nyeri kama ne oyuore alame kanisa mar Tetu Parish.
Honorable Kagusha, you must get a team of lawyers and document the atrocities that were committed by that criminal gang against the people in the 90s, because those were crimes against humanity, and start engaging the International Criminal Court. That the ICC should not wait until crimes against humanity have been committed. This gang is known to have committed crimes against humanity. Now, with the sponsorship of government, they have come back. And for sure, they have started. So Bwana Kagusha, get a team of lawyers to write to the ICC to invite them to come to Kenya and make sure that the activities of that criminal gang sponsored by government is not allowed to take